If your PC is experiencing boot issues, here are a few troubleshooting steps that you should try that will help resolve most issues. Begin by running an ePSA diagnostic. Restart your Dell PC. When the Dell logo appears, press the F12 key to enter the one-time boot menu. Navigate to Diagnostics and press Enter. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the diagnostics. If you received an error code, make note of the code and contact the Dell tech support agent through social media on Facebook or Twitter for assistance. Check if the system can boot into safe mode. Turn on your computer. On your third attempt to boot into Windows, the system will automatically enter the Windows recovery screen. Click on Advanced Options and then select Troubleshoot. Choose Advanced Options, select Startup Settings, and click on Restart. After your system restarts, press the F4 key to enable safe mode. If your system successfully boots into safe mode, the next step is to perform a system restore. If it doesn't, then you will need to verify if the hard drive is being detected. To perform an operating system restore, Windows search for Recovery and select it for the control panel. Select Open System Restore and click on Next. Choose the latest restore point from the list and click on Next. Click on Finish to complete the restore process. To verify if the hard drive is detected, turn on your computer. Repeatedly tap the F2 key at the Dell logo screen to enter BIOS. Expand the General settings and select System Information. Scroll down to Device Information and check to see if the hard drive is being detected. Next, reset the BIOS to its default settings. After entering the BIOS, expand the General settings, click on the Restore Settings button, and then on OK. Then click OK to load all system settings. Click on Exit, then Yes to save changes, and try to boot your PC. If nothing's worked so far, then it's time to try recovering the operating system. In order to do this, you will need to create a Support Assist operating system recovery media. Insert a USB storage device with at least 16 GB of free space. Launch the Dell OS Recovery tool. Identify the computer that needs the operating system installed. Select this computer or another computer. If for another computer, you will need to enter the service tag of that other system. After you've made your selection, click on Next. Verify the USB device destination, check the agreement box, and click on Download. Once the download is complete, connect the USB device to the desired computer. Restart the computer. Tap the F12 key repeatedly at the Dell logo screen to enter System Setup. Navigate to the boot menu and select the newly created USB drive. Allow the system a few seconds to boot to the USB drive, and the Support Assist OS Recovery homepage will be displayed. Under the Recover section, use the Backup Files option to save a copy of your data. Once you've got everything backed up, use the Reset option to continue with the recovery process and follow the instructions. If you're still having no boot issues, contact us through social media on Facebook or Twitter, and the Dell Tech Support agent will be able to assist you. You can also visit the Dell Community Forum to see what others have to say about the topic. Be sure to check out our other tips and tutorials on this channel and become a subscriber today. If you like this video, give it a like, and thanks for watching.